Hello, today let's prepare the NAMELAKA cream together. A perfect cream to fill and decorate cakes and desserts. Subscribe to the channel and let's start immediately. We start rehydrating 4 grams of gelatin in cold water for 15 minutes. Then break up 340 grams of white chocolate in a container and melt it in a bain-marie, stirring continuously over low heat. In another saucepan, bring 200 milliliters of fresh whole milk to a boil. Remove the saucepan from the heat and dissolve 10 grams of glucose in the milk. Then squeeze the gelatin well and bring it into the milk, stirring until it has completely dissolved. Pour in 3 portions the milk, stirring continuously until the mixture becomes smooth and homogeneous. At this point, pour 400 grams of fresh cream and mix again. Then excite the cream with an open bell immersion mixer for about 1 or 2 minutes, without letting the bell out of the compound, to avoid bringing air into the cream. Cover with a cling film and let it rest in the refrigerator overnight. The following day we can blend with an electric mixer until it reaches the correct consistency. Stay with us watching our buttercream recipe or the recommended playlist. See you in the next video.